Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here, Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to do basic darts when creating a garment. So let's get started. Some of the items that you'll need: a tracing wheel of some sort, tracing paper. I'm using a double face wax-free tracing paper. This is super old, but it still works. I have an optional ruler. You can use it if you want, if you like. Your fabric, I have 2 pieces of fabric as well as a pattern here that has the darts here. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my fabric here and it's the same size as my pattern. So I'm gonna take my tracing paper, and what I will do is open it like this because it looks like this. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to slide it like a sandwich between the bottom. So I'll put one on the bottom here and one on this part here. Okay, so one on the bottom here under the fabric and one on top of the fabric and between the paper. So I'm going to line it up so that it covers the entire dart image on the pattern paper. I'm going to put this on top here. Okay, so as you can see, the red of the tracing paper is covering the dart. So I'm going to do a size 6. So the size 6 is here, and then it'll go there and there. So let me pin this to keep it in place. I'm going to take my tracing wheel and my ruler, and I'm going to put the ruler right along the line that I'm going to trace. And I'm going to push down hard. And then I'm going to go right along the line that I see and trace it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off, and there you go. You got your dart on this side. It didn't come out that well on this side, but I can see it enough to do it again. So the next thing I will do. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can see this one is a little lighter than that one, but it's okay. I can still see it enough to do it. So what I'll do is I'll match this dart. So I'm gonna match this part to this part at the widest. And I'm gonna put a pin there. And I'll pin across. And then I will match the bottom here. And then I will match this area. Okay. All right, so that's what it looks like. And I'll do the other side really quick. Okay, so my darts are ready to be sewn. So I'm gonna take it, cut my machine on, and I'm gonna sew along the dotted lines. Take that pin out. Taking pins out as I go. Trying my best to stay on the dotted line. When I get to the end, I do not backstitch. Okay, so didn't stay on the line as well as I thought, but it's okay. So same thing here. I'm gonna stay on the line. When I get to the end, I'm going all the way through. Last but not least, I'm going to tie a knot at the end on both of the darts. Okay, so I'll tie a knot right at the end here and cut. Okay, cut close to the knot. So I have completed this part. Okay, so now we will press our darts. So when you press to the center. And what I usually do is I use a press cloth, but for this demonstration, I'm not going to use a press cloth. So what I'll do is I'll take my iron and I'm gonna go over the dart like this, okay? When I get to this part of the end or the point, I'm going to make sure that I iron it as such because I wanna get as close to the point as possible, and I am using steam, so I will do that, and then I'll press this like that. So like I said, I would use a press cloth, but I want you to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm getting as close to the center as possible. I don't go over the dart with the iron, not at the point. I'm just going to get as close as possible to that point, and then I will turn it over. And I will kind of do the same thing. I just want to get close to the point. I want that point to be sharp. And I'll do that on the other side too. Okay. And this is how you create a dart or darts. So thank you for watching. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of our videos. Give us video ideas. Follow us on social media. And happy sewing.